My school routine. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to read and listen to a text called My School Routine. It's a simple and interesting story about a student's day at school. You will learn useful vocabulary, practice listening, and get ideas for your own school routine. At the end, don't forget to check the PDF with exercises and answers. Let's start. Every school day is a little adventure for me. I usually wake up at 7 o'clock. The first thing I do is stretch my arms and get ready for school. I wash my face, brush my teeth, and put on my clothes. Then I quickly pack my school bag. I always check if I have my notebooks, pens, and homework because I don't want to forget anything. At around 7:30, I have breakfast. My favorite breakfast is a bowl of cereal with milk and a cup of hot tea. Sometimes, if I'm in a hurry, I just grab a sandwich and eat it on the way. By 8 o'clock, I'm at school and ready to start my lessons. On the way to school, I often meet my classmates and we talk about homework or our plans for the day. In the morning, I usually have English, math, or science. I take notes, ask questions, and try to learn something new every day. At 10:30, we have a short break. I eat a small snack, like an apple or a sandwich, and chat with my friends in the schoolyard. At 12:30, it's lunchtime. I often eat in the school canteen with my classmates and we talk and laugh together. In the afternoon, I usually have geography, art, or history. If the weather is nice, sometimes we even have sports outside. I love playing football and running with my friends. School usually finishes at 3 p.m. Before I go home, I sometimes stop by the library to borrow a new book. When I arrive home, I relax for a short time and then do my homework. Step by step, I try to prepare for the next school day. In the evening, I like to have some time just for myself. Sometimes I watch a funny series, sometimes I read a book, and sometimes I simply listen to music and chill. This helps me to relax after a long day at school. Finally, before bed, I brush my teeth, put on my pajamas, and think about the good things that happened during the day. Even though school days are busy, they are full of fun, friends, and new knowledge.